Okay. Hi, I'm Pearl. We're doing extra pH training today. This is because recently we've had to replace 3 probes within a 2-week period. So we just want to make sure everyone's on the same page about how to handle the probes so that we don't break them. Okay, so right away when you're about to take the sample, the first thing that you want to do is reach for the DI water bottle and then have the waste bin here and just rinse all that solution off. That solution isn't supposed to go into the food, so it's a good habit just to make sure you rinse the probe off first. And then you can go ahead and take your reading as normal. And then once you have your reading, when it's stable and all that, again, you're going to reach for the water first. Not the wipe. A lot of people like to wipe the yogurt off, but that's not good for the probe, so we're just going to rinse with a lot of water and make sure it's super clean. There's 2 little dots right here and here that you want to focus on. Since those are not glass, they can get clogged up. So make sure everything's super clean. And now again, just gently dabbing the water off. We're not going to wipe or put any pressure on it. And then you can return it to the case. So this is all outlined in the SOP. This is the main section you need to focus on, and it says first rinse the probe, gently dab it off, and then take the reading, and then again use a lot of water, and then gently dab with the Kim wipe. This SOP is going to be kept in this binder up here if you ever need it. And then there's also some additional information that I'm going to be keeping up there. This is from the Agriculture Research Service of the USDA. And I've highlighted some things. This talks about using the water first from the squirt bottle and then blotting, not wiping that water off because it can damage the glass. And then this section talks about those 2 little spots that you need to get all the yogurt off so it doesn't clog. This talks about the special glass and that it can be scratched and damaged very easily. And then this talks about why we're keeping the pH meters in the lab, not on the processing floor. That's because there's humidity in the air and acidity that can damage the electrical components. So yeah, that's basically it. Just contact me, Sarah, Sam, if you have any questions about this. Thank you.